Knowledge is power. Business are coming to realize the importance of leveraging data in daily operations. The first step is to decide the goal that you want to achieve, reduce cost, and optimize transmitting or increase efficiency and utilize big data to achieve the distance becomes shorter. The world transformed into a nicer. Big data is the technology which link everything. Big data has some big potential and it is here stays. Business are increasingly recognizing the power of leveraging data in their daily operations, whether the goal is to reduce cost, optimize transmitting, increase efficiency, or harness big data potential. The key lies is setting clear objectives as technology advance and distance shrink. Big data becomes the link chain connection by various aspects as operations.